Morning. It is day 53. It is March 29th, and I'm ready to get moving. It was supposed to get in the 30s last night. I mean, I think it got pretty cold. Well, it was supposed to get around 30 last night. It definitely got cold. It was borderline freezing, but it was warm enough that I was sweating in my hammock to the point where it was really uncomfortable. I had to take everything off just to try to get, anyway. So, but I slept okay. Just finished doing warm up and, having breakfast and stretching and all that stuff. And I'm ready to go. The short version of today has me going about 13 and some change. I'm going to stop by a place called Brushy Outpost, which sounds like an outpost, but after reading the description, it sounds more like a little sandwich shop that has very light resupply. But I don't need a lot of stuff. So I need toilet paper, definitely, and maybe some tuna. And it would be nice if I got some burrito or tortillas. That's about it. The long version has me going like 18 to a campsite. All the campsites along this section seem to have a lot of reports of bears that kind of come around but don't really do anything. So that could be exciting. But yeah, there's a creek right before you get up on the ridge, and then it's a lot of ridge walking, so it's pretty flat. So I might load up on water and keep walking just to get, a couple extra miles in to get me that much closer to Pearisburg. Yeah, that's about it for today. Hopefully my tracker will not be a douche and not run out of juice because I'm getting low. I'm getting low on batteries. Yeah, it is chilly, so I'm gonna get moving late. So ended up pushing 23.2 to Jenny's knob. Good day. I'd say for the most part, it was pretty good with the leg. There was one part where I kind of started pushing it a little bit and my leg let me know to ease up. So, yeah, went to Bushy Outpost. Really good. There was enough in resupply of what I needed, So that was awesome. But yeah, the food there was really good too. So I'd say the last 3 miles was getting spicy. So I just took smaller steps and let it relax. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to do self-care tonight. So I've got a smaller day tomorrow. I'll get up early, do some self-care, roll some things out, stretch, warm up, all that stuff. So, yeah, that's about it for today. See you tomorrow.